Alright, I'm going to show you how to program these buttons here on your Astoria, Rio, similar machines. These are all the CMA machines. If it looks like this, you're probably the same method. Sometimes you have to use the switch up here and then power cycle it with the switch like flipped. This machine's a little different. All I have to do is hold program, and then it'll allow me to program the buttons. So this is my single shot. Put that in and use my shot glass here. A little, rinse it out. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to hold program and we're going to hit single shot. There we go. And then we're going to stop it when it hits 1 ounce by hitting the same button we pushed. Bam. There you go, 1 ounce. Pretty close. That's my 1 ounce. And then I do another one here. Alright, so we'll program again, and we're going to program the bottom right double shot. There. And wait till it hits the ounce mark again, because now it's double. I program it off of the espresso, not like the crema. Just because I don't know, that's how I think I'm supposed to do it. I'm going off of the fluid. The crema is like oil and stuff, I believe. I don't know all the history behind science, or coffee and stuff and science, but yeah, that's how you program the buttons. And you can do the other shots, like if you want, like you could do like 1, 2, 3, 4 shots or whatever your heart desires. But I only use the right and left, so when I do this again, some of the coffee already has absorbed it, but it should roughly give me about 2 ounces. I don't double brew my espresso like this ever. I always get new espresso. But that's not looking that bad. Color's a little light, but for falling twice, man. It should stop like roughly about 1 ounce. I mean, the espresso already has some water in it, so it's gonna let more through, but roughly about there. Yeah, there we go. So let a little more water through this time, but overall, pretty cool.